That's how you take a fender off. I'm going to start with taking this front fender off, and I think mine is held in maybe by 1 or 2 clips. A lot of it's broken. I don't even know if I'll put this back in. Anyways, you probably have more clips than I do, but it should just be these little like push style body clips. You pop the center off and then you pop the end. I'll show you how to do it. All right, let's see if I can do this with one hand here. Oh yeah, just, you know what, I broke it, so it should just pop out, but come on, this thing's been sitting in the heat and the sun for its entire life, so these break. So really, I guess what I'm saying is you probably should just buy a kit that has body clips, because it's just they just break. I'm gonna keep breaking mine and pull this guy out. I am not even making this up. This one, right after I said that, came out perfectly. The middle part pops out, then the guy pops out. And so how these work, when you go to push it back in, it's like a drywall anchor. It just fans out these little edges and holds everything together. I'm still gonna replace it because I think it's old and on its last leg, if I even put this inner fender back in. But I think maybe now could be in a situation where this guy just pops out. Okay, come on. Come on. Come on. That's... I'm not seeing any value in putting that back on. Let's try to count the bolts here. I don't know. We got 1 in the top there, and then we got 2. This guy's actually a bolt and a stud, so we got to take the hood strut off. 3. There's 1. Where did that guy go? Right there. But you reach your hand in here. I don't know if I can get this, fellas. Maybe if I get, yeah, there it is. So there's that one. And then if you crawl under here with me, holding shit. God damn it. I don't know if that screw needs to come out. Maybe 6. I think there's 6 bolts and maybe a screw. I don't think I need to take these runners off. But I don't know. I'll let you know. And these are 10 millimeters. I think all of them. Maybe I'll let you know. Hood strut comes off. You pry this up with a screwdriver, and then I think we'll be able to just pop it up out of the way. Let me see if I can put the camera down. Yep, that's it. Okay, well now it won't stay up, so I'm gonna have to go find a stick. Yeah, gosh dang it, the stick fell. And so you're gonna want a deep well. That's not a 10. That's a 10. That's probably a 12. Not a 12. 13. All right. Take this 13 millimeter guy out. I should probably pop you. Ah, what? All the way in the engine bay. Oh no. What happened? But where'd you go? Get a magnet bowl maybe. Make your life easier. Don't be like me. All right. 10s. 10s for these guys. I'm gonna get rid of that. I'm gonna drop it somewhere. You can kind of see I'm starting to get some play out of it. So I might be right with where all my bolts are. Now I'm going to work on the headlight bolts. You can't really see those, so I'm not going to show them to you. New development here on the fender. You had to pull this trim piece out. It's just these little clips. Be careful not to break them. I don't know. It's a single molded piece, so you want to be really careful pulling this back. But I only needed to take that bottom one out that was right like there. We are making progress. Now I'm going to get that one, and I don't know if I'm going to get that screw either yet, but that one, and then I'll show you what happens. I feel like maybe I'm missing something. Check this out. There's this little guy just hiding Hiding right in there. Can you see? Can you see it? There he is. Now I think we're ready. No. All right, come with me now. I missed another one. Right there. I think that guy's preventing me from taking it out. So now I'm going to do that. Ah, it was just kind of stuck. Maybe. Maybe. Ha-ha! Ah, it was just kind of stuck. Maybe. Maybe. Ha-ha! And I'm going to just throw this fender back on. You saw how it came off. It goes on the same way. That guy pops back on. All the bolts are tight except this one down here I'll get later, but that's a fender. So if you ever need to replace the fender, there you go.